Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I am out today. I am trying out these Tusk Strike Billet aluminum foot pegs. They are awesome, guys. I've been riding them for quite a few hours here, and I mean, they are just so nice because they're such a big platform. The grip is excellent on these foot pegs. I'm telling you, your feet don't slide at all, which would be real nice in muddy conditions, wet conditions. It's going to make a huge difference, but they're real nice, especially I can tell when I stand up. Let me try to explain to you how this is. But these foot pegs, instead of being flat like most foot pegs, they I'll show you the pegs too, but instead of being flat, they actually tilt like this. So when you sit on it, your legs are leaned in as you stand. You know, your legs, instead of being straight up and down, they're kind of like this, which puts your knees up against the tank a lot better, and it really works. It feels good. So I'll show you these pegs, but these things are awesome, and they're the biggest platform that I've ever seen on a peg. Look at this. These things are ginormous. Easy to install. They just replace your 300L stock pegs. These little pins, you can take them out and replace them, and they even have a different style that's not quite as pointy like these. These are real pointed and real sharp, which are super for super grip in mud and all those conditions. Anodized billet aluminum, and if you can see, if I can get you an angle here, probably can't see it, but they actually do tilt this way like 7 degrees. But these are some super nice pegs. There's an airplane flying above me right now, checking me out. It's like, what's this turkey doing out here? My gloves even stick to them things. They got so much grip. But these are so much better than the stock. Especially they're billet aluminum, and they're going to be a lot tougher than those factory made out of tin. My son laid his over and he's already warped them suckers back. These wouldn't have done that. These things are solid. They're not going to bend at all. But super cool pegs. I will definitely post a link in the description, but super grip. And that's important. You might ride your stock pegs and you think that, well, I've had it all these years and I've never seen a problem with it. They've been fine, but I'm telling you, once you put a set of these on, you will see the difference. And just the comfort, even because they're so wide, and I can actually put my feet out further if I want to, because they're a lot longer out, quite a bit. Which means instead of part of my foot being on the peg, my whole foot is pretty much on the peg now. With the factory peg, as small as it is, you're not even getting part of your foot on the peg, especially when you stand up and your foot and your shoe wants to crown or your boot. The wider platform there makes you a lot more solid stance on the pegs. Very cool and definitely worth the money. Tusk Strike foot pegs, guys. I'll post a link in the description where you can check these out. But I am loving them. So I've been riding them about 3 hours today so far, and they're just fabulous. Definitely the best I've had. I'm going to cut off down through here. I've not been in any mud, but I don't have to tell you that they're definitely going to get more grip in the mud than the stock. So there you guys go. If you want some good foot pegs for your Honda CRF300, check out the link in the description. These are worth the money. Click that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon. You'll be notified when I put out a new video, and we'll catch you all on the next adventure. Ride on.